If you are looking for a fantastic polishing cloth for your wine glasses or even some of your electronics, check this thing out. This is the KLOVEO Polishing Cloth, and the brand was nice enough to send this over to me, and I gotta say, I'm fairly impressed with this guy. Now, I do have a glass here, and I don't know if you can see, there's a ton of fingerprints on here, and I'm putting some on there myself. You can see a little bit of it. But without any solution on this cloth, using it on this guy right now, I can see that a lot of the fingerprints are coming off. But one of the places that I found this thing has been working amazing for me, and by the way, this thing is absolutely huge. Check this out. This thing is really big and it feels very nice and premium. It's very large in size, but I'm going to bring my laptop over here and you're really going to see the fingerprints. And again, this is without any type of solution on this cloth, but you can see these fingerprints here, and I'm just going to rub over them right now. You can see them disappearing over there. I go up at the top here, I go across. It's working fantastically well. I can only imagine that if I used a solution with this as well, it's going to be even better. But this thing is working just by itself. So if you're looking for a polishing cloth, this thing is working great for me. I really like it, and I'm going to be using this thing for a lot of my electronics and some glasses. So if you're in the market for a fantastic cloth, I highly recommend this one.